video número dos by Mr. Kabanga from the Congo. All right, what are we learning today? So in this video número dos, you're learning about rotation. Rotation has to do with the following. You see this T right here? This T stands for turn. You turn. This time we're turning. The last video was about translation, which is slide. This time you're turning stuff at the same direction, okay? Same distance. So, all right, so when you turn something, you can go clockwise, like the way the clock goes, clockwise, or we can go counterclockwise, like the clock does not go counterclockwise. So, let me write the rules first. The rules is stated as follow. Whenever you're doing 90 degrees, right? Because it says most rotation will be in counterclockwise. So when you're doing 90 degrees counterclockwise, I don't expect you to memorize this, but I just expect you to see it for now. So it will go as XY to give you the following. The Y and the X switches positions, and the left side gets the gets the negative. That is for 90 degree counterclockwise. Should I probably put CW here? I should, and I will. All right, next is for 180. 180 also goes from X to Y, XY to. This time the letter stays the same, but you just make them both negative. Okay? There's a negative right there. All right, for 270, well, that's also counterclockwise. And for 270, it goes as XY. And the letter switches on this one, but this time you make the right side negative. That's kind of like a rule I just want you to memorize for now, or if not, don't worry, I'll put it on the board. All right, so they want me to rotate in 90, in 180, and 270. So we're going to do three kind of work on this one. Well, we are ready for it. Bring it on. We got this counterclockwise. All right, let's do this thing. So pre-image means the old stuff. All right, the old stuff is X and Y. All right, I'm going to put a line right here. Now we're doing 90 degrees. 90 degrees is the green one. I'm just going to put the new equation, the new rule for it right there, which that's negative, right? All right, so let's do that first. So notice that the letters switch positions. So therefore, you should also switch these. It was 2, 4. You're going to make it 4, 2. And then the left side gets the negative. The left number gets the negative. Boom. You with me? All right. So it's 4, 1, but you switch. Switch. 1, 4. Make the left side negative. Boom. You with me? All right. Next one. This is 2, 1. Switch. 1, 2. Make the left side negative. Boom. There it is. All right. We're done with 90 degree counterclockwise. Let's do 180 counterclockwise. 180 stated as follow. It will be, you don't switch the letters. You simply make them both negatives. All right, so now what? Well, don't switch the numbers. So keep them in the same position. 2, 4 on the pre-image. 2, 4 here, but you make them both negative, negative, negative. All right. The next one is don't switch the position. Doop, boop. Make them both negative. Doop, doop. It is. All right. So don't switch them. Make them both negative. Doop, doop. Good. We're killing it right now. All right. Let's move on to 270 counterclockwise. With 270 counterclockwise, the letter switches and you make the right side negative. So let's switch the numbers. 2, 4, you're going to write 4, 2. You make the right side negative. Boom. Switch it. 1, 4, make the right side negative. Boom. All right, switch it. 1, 2, doom, 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 doom. You can make it into a song. Doom, 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 doom. Doom, doom, doom. Anyway, let's continue. Let's get back to work. All right, now that I have those points written, all you have to do there is just to plot them. All right, so let's do the first one, the 90-degree counterclockwise, the green one. So I'm gonna plot. So the A1 is right here. I'm gonna come up with a new one, which is located at -4, 2. -4 up to, boom. Here's the new A. I'm gonna call it A prime. All right, let's do the next one. This B, it's a 4, 1, but now it will be a -1, 4. -1, 4. B prime. All right, C was a 2, 1. Now it will be at -1, 2. Boom. C prime. All right, just like that. I just rotated this picture counterclockwise so they move to the left. Now let's do the 180. Also notice this. 90 degrees means one turn. I just turn this thing one time, either left or right, just one time. All right, let's continue. Let's do 180. I 180. So for A, A was at 2, 4, but now if we look at it at -2, -4, boom, A prime. Next one, B was located at 4, 1, but now be located at -1, 4. -1, 4, right? Right. Right. Am I all on? What did I do wrong? I did something wrong. What did I do wrong? Nothing. All right, it says, sorry, B would be located at -4, -1. That was what, there you go. B prime. And C prime will now be located at -2, -1. There it is. Boom, boom, boom. See that? So note to yourself, 180 is 2 turns. You turn your picture 2 times. All right, let's do the last one. 270. 270 counterclockwise. So the A will be located at 4, -2. Boom. A prime. Oh yeah, this should be actually, to make my life easier, you should actually make it triple prime. These will be double prime, right? To tell the difference. Anyway, let's continue. All right, and then B will be at 1, -4, 1, -4. Boom. B triple prime. And then C will be located at 1, -2. C triple prime. Boom. Right? And 270 is actually 3 turns. All right.